Hi, Mitch Bailey here for Bailey's and Air Heroes. This video and the short videos that come after it are intended to educate you on something we all take for granted, heating and air. Brand loyalty. What comes to mind? Maybe the car you drive, or maybe the phone you use, or a television. When it comes to central heating and air, many people think that the brand installed on their home is Honeywell, when in fact Honeywell makes the thermostat, not central heating and air. Plus, there's a good chance if you went outside and looked at your unit, you'd find that the brand name had faded off or is not there at all. So back in the 70s, we installed thousands of day and night units. Day and Night was one of three brands that BDP company produced. BDP stood for Bryant, Day and Night, and Payne, and all came out of the same factory. When you installed a BDP unit, it came with three different stickers. Yep, you guessed it, one for each brand. You would just stick the brand you were a dealer for on the top of the unit and toss the other decals. So for the last 10 years, we have been a Trane comfort specialist. We also sell Goodman, Bryant, Rheem, and Coleman. Moreover, the majority of our customers purchase Trane, with Rheem coming in a close second. One question that we always get from potential customers: what is the best brand? Many customers have already done loads of research and already formed an opinion. What they are really asking me to confirm is their decision on which brand they should purchase. My usual answer is whatever brand we are installing. The customer usually laughs. The problem is, I wasn't joking. The best brand that is not installed or commissioned correctly will never produce its designed efficiency or capacity, nor will it last as long as intended. However, any average brand that is installed and commissioned correctly will achieve its design capacity and efficiency and outlast even those better brands that were not installed or commissioned the right way. Okay, the manufacturers will probably be upset with me for saying this, but the installing contractor matters way more than the brand. A good installation is key to giving any brand a long life and the ability to cool and heat properly. Now, don't get me wrong, the difference between a Trane XV18i and a Goodman GSX16 is the same as comparing a Rolex to a Timex. Although they will both keep time, one has spent way more on product engineering and testing and marketing than the other one. However, let us not forget that this is also reflected in the price between these brands. In other words, you are paying for that added engineering and testing and marketing. Does this mean that the Goodman will not cool as well, produce the same amount of BTUs, be as efficient, or last as long as the Trane? No, it does not. Again, if the system is installed, commissioned, and maintained, it should cool as well, be as efficient, and last as long as the equivalent Trane system. To illustrate this point, let me tell you a story. About 25 years ago, we were a Ruud dealer. I was out giving an estimate to a lady for a new system. As I was looking at her furnace in the closet, she stopped me and said, "I need to ask you a question. I had you come out because you are the local Ruud dealer, and I wanted a quote for Ruud. I did this because Ruud is rated #1 in Consumer Reports. However, yesterday I had a Rheem dealer that was here giving me a quote, and he said that Rheem is the same brand as Ruud and that they come out of the same factory. Is that true?" I said yes. Ruud and Rheem do come out of the same factory. The only difference is the sticker they slap on it. She then asked, "Then tell me this, why is Ruud rated #1 in Consumer Reports and Rheem is rated #7? My answer? The Ruud dealers were doing a better job at installing their systems than the Rheem dealers are. This could also stem from the fact that at the time there were about twice as many Rheem dealers as opposed to Ruud. You see, the supplier selling Ruud was pickier and at who he would be giving a dealership to than those suppliers that were selling Rheem. I'm not saying that all the Rheem guys were hacks, but the hacks were dragging down the ratings for all the other Rheem dealers. Okay, so this brings me to relationships. What does matter is the relationship that we, the contractor, the distributor, and the manufacturer have. If it is a strong relationship that supports the contractor and they all work as a team, then this also transfers to the customer. In the all aluminum video, I talked about how our relationship had soured between the manufacturer and us. At the time, we needed the manufacturer to step up and help us with leaking coils. They told us to pound sand and gave nothing to ease or lessen the problems or the cost the customers were having to pay. In stark contrast, our switch to Trane and their distributor has been beneficial not only for us, but also for the customer. For example, Trane has several times given us equipment to replace when a customer has had problems with their system instead of just a part. In our 40+ years of business, no other manufacturer or distributor have done this for us. Others will usually provide a part to replace the bad one, but never a complete unit or system. So as you can see, having a good relationship between the manufacturer, distributor, and the contractor can equate to better service for our customers. So let's now address warranties. When it comes to heating and air, the consumer never had it so good. When I first started in the business in 1976, the manufacturer would give 1-year parts warranty and 5 years on the compressor. Today, almost all brands now give a 10-year warranty on parts and in some cases up to 12-year warranty on compressor, usually on the higher efficiency or their top-of-the-line systems. Can you think of any other product with warranties that are that long? No, I can't. As for Bailey's and Air Heroes, we have always provided a 2-year in-house warranty for the labor. We also combine it with 2 years of maintenance on a new system. In addition, we offer the purchase of an extended warranty of 10 years on the labor part through a third-party company. You would still call us to make the repairs. It's just that the warranty company would be paying us. Of course, the parts would still come from the manufacturer as they would be covered under the manufacturer's warranty. On some parts, like the heat exchanger, they do have a longer warranty, with some of them having a lifetime warranty. Okay, I need to discuss lifetime warranties. Over the last couple decades, I have seen several companies that were offering lifetime warranties with a new system. This, of course, helped them sell systems. I mean, why wouldn't you buy from this company? The system will be warranted for life. The problem was that these companies closed their doors after only a few years, and when they did, the warranty was not worth the paper it was written on. One particular company in our area that was selling through a big box home improvement store and was selling Trane systems with a lifetime warranty closed their doors, and the customer that had been giving a lifetime warranty would call Trane, expect them to honor the warranty that the now defunct company sold them. Trane would honor the warranty for 10-year parts, but not this guy's lifetime warranty on labor. Because we were now the Trane dealer in the area, we would be referred to the customer. We would charge them for the labor to install the Trane provided warranty part. Let us just say that these customers were not really happy. The worst part is that this guy opened another company using a remarkably similar name and would not even return the calls of those customers that he had sold a lifetime warranty to. And worse than that, I recently heard that he once more was offering lifetime extended warranties. Who says history does not repeat itself? Now, a word on maintenance. Here at Bailey's and Air Heroes, we include the 2 years of maintenance with every system. It is important that you continue having the unit maintained and regularly serviced every year. New systems are more complicated than older systems, and in order for it to produce the best cooling, the best efficiency, and last for decades, the system should be serviced each year. In addition, we also perform safety checks on because today's homes have the furnaces installed in the attic. This means that you have a fire in your attic. I think that would be a reason enough to have it checked. I have included in the description below a link to the U.S. Department of Energy's Building Technologies program, the Measure Guideline Air Conditioner Diagnostic Maintenance and Replacement. It's a great resource for those that want to delve deeper than most. I'm talking about all you engineers out there. But for everyone else, just read paragraph 1 on section 1.1, defining the problem on page 2. Okay, to sum up, you have many brands to choose from, and some brands may have features and or products that are unique to their brand. Does this make them better than the other brand? Yes and no. Some brands heavily invest in development and innovation, and it is reflected in their price, but they also have features like being extremely quiet when running. So, however, almost any brand, when installed properly and maintained, will outlast even the best brand that is not installed correctly or maintained. Again, the contractor and installation is more important than the brand. Okay, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you would like to see new videos as they are posted, please subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.